Kain tayo mga palangga. Look at my laswa. So yummy my laswa guys. Kain tayo. Salamat Lord.
You're not the only one around here with big ideas. Never think of that. You're saying that it's a better idea. No. Hey, everyone calm down. I have a different job just for you. Ask Angela to do it. She's your
May
favorite.
pinalagpat na
You like
laswa.
her better than you like me. Huh? To the plan. Anyhow, I want to be part of the next stage.
Ah, and it's going to involve wearing another disguise.
Hey guys. I don't want bread, but I just made it to the first two levels. I'm moving. See that?
Meron tayong dugo. And laswa. Yan yung ating ulam for tonight. Ika na? Yummy dinner. Tapos ka na? Bilis mo naman kumain.
Just walk around the city.
Kain tayo na muna guys. Laway, laway, laway.
So what's the robots? That's I don't understand. Since when did you get to decide how we get rid of the robots anyway? You're not the only one around here with big ideas. Never think of that. You're saying that. Nice. Jealous? It's nice to meet you. You want to do I couch. What was it? Sonic Fingerwood? That's it. You're welcome. It's better than Sonic.
Asin lang tong panlasa sa akong na guys.
Sure, Sonic did. Yeah.
Asin lang kag paminta. Tapos yung butangan ko damo nga tanglad. So ang lasa niya tinanglaran. Pwede ka namin. Laswagin sa laswa. Ngayon na ako naka-perfect. Naka-perfect ng luto ng laswa. Naputok pa yung sabaw. Ayan o. Naglalaway pa yung sabaw. Sarap diba?
Did you hear me? Are you turning it off?
Yummy! Super yummy. Matitam siya, mapanyapon. Ngay din kain ka. May pambalon ako ulit, may pambalon ako bukas.
Parents are concerned with making sure that children balance screen time with outdoor physical activity.
Duty tayo ulit bukas hanggang Sunday.
Enough's enough. We're having
Super nanam.
this. Tell the boys after dinner.
Buti na lang kanina may nakita akong fresh pa na gulay sa labasan ng sa Agham. Nakabili ako. Worth 65 pesos lang yung lahat ng nabili ko. Isa 10 piso kada bugkos. Ang mahal lang yung yung kalabasa. Mahal yung kalabasa, sobrang liit, 30. Pero okay lang, masarap naman. Malabo-labo. Malabo-labo ang ang kalabasa. Yan bawasan mo kanin ko din. Food na ko.
Have you tried being a pilot in that new game?
Tapos yung tayo guys. Wala nakaubos ang atong kanon kay kadamo.
It's actually
Binigay natin sa ating bunso na kalakain.
if only you were
Labi na.
I've seen 3 bad
Uy.
robots already today.
Yung sunggod. Sunggod agad.
That's what a real pilot would say, right?
Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Medyo boring yung akong pagbablog, pero nandyan pa rin kayo. Thank you so much. Bye! Ingat kayo lahat. Wala lang, share ko lang yung kinain, yung hapunan ko. Bye!